Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup files using Windows File History, easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, click on the Start menu in the bottom left corner of your screen. Type File History into the search bar. From the search results, select File History. In the File History window, click on the Turn On option. If you don't see this option, first connect an external drive. Windows will prompt you to select a drive for your backup. Choose your external drive from the list provided. Once your drive is selected, click on the Setup option. File History will now begin to back up your files automatically. You can customize which folders are backed up by selecting the Exclude These Folders option. To include specific folders, click on Advanced Settings on the left side of the window. In Advanced Settings, you can adjust the frequency of backups. You may choose daily, hourly, or every few minutes. Additionally, you can specify a time period for how long versions are kept. To restore files, click on Restore Personal Files. Here, you will see the versions of your files backed up. Browse through the folders to locate the file you wish to restore. Select the version you want and click the Restore button. Your file will be restored to its original location. For any additional settings, visit the System Image Backup option in the Control panel. This allows you to create a full image backup of your system. Remember to regularly check that your backups are running smoothly. This ensures that your files are safe and up to date. You have now successfully set up and learned how to use Windows File History to back up your files. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.